What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. As you guys can already tell by the title and thumbnail, we are going to be adding the very first mod to my brand new Civic. Now, it's not a crazy mod, but it is a mod that I've done in all my cars. If you guys look back, you should see a video on my Tacoma about this same exact mod. Now, what is this mod? We are adding I believe this company is Fireflies. I've never used them, but I decided to try them out. Amazon did recommend them, but basically what we're doing is we are replacing all the interior lighting of the car. Basically, we're replacing the map lights, the dome lights, the vanity mirror lights, and we're also replacing the trunk light, I believe. Let's check it out. Let's see what comes.
Alrighty, guys. So as you can see, guys, this does come with a nice panel removal tool. This company is called Fireflies, guys. Amazon recommended it, like I said, so I decided to give it a try. So it comes with some nice instructions, little warranty card, and it comes with all the bulbs that we will be replacing.
Alrighty, guys, so it's not super dark in here. It's quite dark, to be honest, especially inside the car. Basically what we're gonna see is how bright these lights are compared to the stock ones. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside of the car. As you can already tell, this dome light right here is not very bright at all. It's still pretty dark in here. It doesn't light up much. You probably couldn't find something if it fell under the seats. Then you turn on your map lights. It gets a little bit brighter, but as you can tell, it's still not very bright in here. It's still very dark. Anyways, guys, let's get to replacing these and see what the difference is. Let's hope this company's worth it. Alrighty, guys, so I went ahead and replaced just one light. I haven't replaced the dome light yet. Just don't worry, we will get to that. But guys, they are crazy bright. Let me show you guys the difference.
Alrighty, guys, so we have not replaced the driver's side light just yet. As you can see, it's still stock. Now, look how it compares to the passenger side that we already replaced. Can you guys tell the difference?
Guys, this is crazy. Check this out. This is how it looks with the dome light on. As you can tell, not very bright. Let's turn that off. This is how it looks with just one map light. It's a crazy difference, guys. These things are crazy bright. I can't wait to install all of these. I'll get back to you. Look at this, guys. You cannot tell me this isn't a lot brighter. And this is just with the map lights on. I don't even have this on yet. As you can see, I still haven't replaced it. I'm super excited. Guys, just as a quick tip, when you're replacing the dome light, be very careful. If possible, you maybe use some needle nose pliers or regular pliers. If you can see, let me show you. If you can see, guys, this is where the bulb normally is. And if you see back here, there's a pretty big gap, guys. And you don't want to lose your bulb. If you lose it out over there, guys, like, I don't know if you'll be able to get it. And while you're driving, you don't want to hear no rattling noise, from a light bulb being in there. Plus, I don't know if that would be safe anyways. But anyways, guys, we have it out. Let's see how it looks once we put it in. Alrighty, guys, so this right here again is with no lights. This right here is with the dome lights. So just a crazy difference. Shut those off. This is gonna be with the dome light. So that's okay. The dome light, I feel like it's not too bright, but it's definitely brighter than the stock one. Alright, guys, so it looks like we are done with the interior lights for now. The model that I have, which is a 2020 Honda Civic Sport, unfortunately does not have any vanity mirror lights, which unfortunately I did not know, but no big deal. They'll just stay in the packaging. Now, if you guys have a 2020 or 10th generation Civic, and you guys do have vanity mirror lights, go ahead and leave a comment down below. See if you want them. Obviously, no charge. Just we'll figure out a way to get them to you. But yeah, guys, go ahead and comment down below, and we'll get them to you. Anyways, guys, we have one more light to install, which is going to be the trunk light. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so ignore the mess. As you can see, the last LED light is on, and it is actually very bright. Alrighty guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know I did, and the lights are so bright, guys. I love them. I'm super excited to see how much of a difference they make at night. As you guys can see right now, even though there was still light coming in from this window and it's pretty bright in here, you guys could tell the difference between the stock lights and the LED lights that we went ahead and placed. Again, I'm super excited to see how they look at night. I will be leaving a link to these lights in the description box below. Anyways, guys, I will catch you guys on the next video. We have more stuff coming for this Honda Civic. Actually, today they should be getting here. So I'm super excited for that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.